today in this video, I will show you my process to write SEO article with AI. This is without BS, this is very serious, and this is about how to write quality articles, okay? So I will show you from A to Z. One first thing to understand about SEO. First, this is a competition about all other businesses that want to rank on the same keywords than you. So this is a hard competition. Keep it in mind. So I will show you how to beat your competition. And two, because other people do the same, of course. And secondly, this is about writing quality articles and quality content because you are writing for people and people will not stay on your website if the information is bad. So your goal is to keep people on your website because the content is interesting. They will interact with the website and they will spend time on the website. And this is very important for Google. This is a good data. This is good points to know if your content is good. And people will share this content, and sharing the content, of course, will create backlinks naturally for you and new visitors and a good reputation. So first, you have to find keywords. So how to find keywords? I forget the most important. I show you everything I will show you is for free. Literally, there is no tools to buy. There is nothing of it. Maybe it will change in the future. You can improve it with paying tools, but all I give you today, this is easy to do. Okay, this will just be a bit of work to make quality content, to improve the content. And of course, this is for beginners, for startups or small businesses. Okay, if you don't have budget for SEO, this is all free. And this accelerates a lot your process. So first, how to find keywords. So Google gives you the keywords, okay? So here I want Webflow, okay? I write about Webflow, for example, okay? We go there. So keep in mind that I am not in incognito mode right now. This is for the video purpose. But when you make research, okay, for SEO, make it in incognito mode, okay? So if I go here in Chrome on the right side, I have new incognito window. So you have to do it because you have no add-ons and you have no historic and things that can change the search. It have to be neutral. So here I have Webflow. So I'm not interested by this. I'm interested by this that people is giving to you for free. This is people also ask. Okay, this is very important. This is the exact question that people are writing on Google and looking for answers. Okay, people are looking for answers on these exact questions. So you will say, oh, there is 4 only, but no, there is more. If you open one, you will see it will generate new ones, okay? And you have literally infinite possibilities here, okay? So if you want infinite ideas for article, you have everything here. Just about one keyword, I have what is Webflow used for? Is Webflow better than WordPress? Is Webflow fully free? Is Webflow better than Wix? Why is Webflow so expensive? Is Webflow good for beginners? And one tip, you can make videos about the people also ask because Webflow for a lot of research now is showing videos from YouTube as answers because with AI there is near future changes about SEO. But for now you can continue to write article and this is very good to do. So here you have your keyword. So once you have your keyword, you will type your keyword here. This is the second part. So here we want Webflow versus WordPress. Okay. So another tips is when you are in incognito mode, this is very important. So for example, I have Webflow with WordPress here, and I have a suggestion from Google here. So this is also ideas for your articles and about what people is writing on the search. So Webflow versus WordPress, Webflow versus WordPress. So I will take the Hostinger one. So I have already opened it here. So why I took this one? The most interesting is to take the first article because we want to rank one and to beat this article. So here I have elegant terms that do an article. Is the article a real article? Sometimes the articles presented first are weird. So go for the second and the third because we want well structured articles. So here, okay, this is the competitor to beat. So the first thing I do here is with AI, that the first use of AI here, this is with this add-on. You see on the right of my screen here, I have a little cute head here, and I have options. So this is Merlin AI that you can download here from getmerlin.in, okay, and you install it from Chrome Web Store. So they have a free version. They have also a paid version. You see that you can choose between ChatGPT, Cloud, Yama, OpenAI, and I think they have another one now. This is very powerful. So you can resume your YouTube video, you can resume your articles. This is where we use it now. You can do many things with it. This is very interesting. I invite you to use it regularly. It will improve your productivity. But here, the functionality that I did here is the summarize. Okay, so when you have installed it, so you relaunch your browser, of course, and you click here. So you have summarize this page, okay? So here it will load. So it's preparing the web page, okay? That is fast. Okay. Oh, I asked him to summarize, but the best to do is not summarize, is ask this page, but now it's the same. So my prompt here, I just create and improvise a prompt right now. This is not the exact prompt I'll use. You can precise it, you can add whatever you want. The more precise is the prompt, the better it is, but this is enough because the first thing is not to create article right from the AI, okay? This is using steps. This is accelerating the process of writing, but you have to proceed with AI to create quality content. You have to proceed with steps and not to ask for everything at once and do no work. And you have to think, you have to still be a creator and to respect the process. So here, the first thing, if you want a quality answer and final result, is to ask to create an outline, and the AI is very good for this. So you can ask for a detailed outline or maybe a less detailed one, but here this is the outcome, okay? So create an outline from this article. I need to write a better article. So in my prompts, I always want something better. So I ask him to do it. So it will do it from the article, so you can verify that this is similar from my top competitor. and you see if it's adding some things. So yes, of course, you have to make this work of verify. It takes just few minutes, okay, and see how good it is, okay. So now you have your outline, okay. Outline is very hard for French to pronunciate. Okay, so maybe not with the last one. Maybe we can if you have a team or something. So Control C. I open a new Google Doc, okay, and I will come and paste. Oh, this is not working. Control V. Um, okay, I have a button here to copy. So okay, okay. Oh, it was Google Doc that was bugging. Okay. Oh, this is good. This is markdowns. So you can open it in Obsidian. Obsidian is very good to. I will show you it fast. I hope I don't have compromising things. So here, okay, create a new note. Okay, and I can copy paste here, and you see this is markdown. So with Obsidian, this is very fast for writing article. This is very good. I prefer Google Docs for other reasons because I work with teams and things like this. So I share the files, but with Obsidian, this is very good here, as you can see. Okay, so I have the outline here. Okay, so now what I will do as first work is, do I have personal knowledge that I can add to this outline? Maybe yeah, maybe there is some points that I have personally, and this is very important to add and to nourish this outline. This is very important to ask people or yourself and to create something unique. Maybe just one point, but this point is very important. Maybe it's an entire section, but do this work. Okay, what can I add that will improve the article? Also, check the top three articles, okay? And maybe on other articles, they have things that they are not on the top one or not on the top three or the top two, and you can add it into your outline. So you can get help from AI if you want to rephrase your outline. So now that you have this outline, the work is to get the first article and to say, okay, and to see, better than saying here, okay, how many images they have. Okay, if they have 10 images, okay, you will write it here somewhere. So top one article here with the link article. Oh, I have to change this. Okay, here. Okay, top article. So maybe this is this one. So I will copy paste it here. Okay. So I have the link. Okay. So this top article, top one article, maybe this is not the top one, but this is for the demonstration. Okay, they have 10 images. Maybe they have 4 tables, comparative tables. Maybe they have 0 video, and other things that you can add like this. Maybe you can count the internal links and the external links. So you can maybe hop and the links, maybe they have 30. So, okay. So you see they have this, and now your goal is to do better. So if they have 10 images, you want now 11 images, 15 images. If they have 4 tables, you will use at least 4 tables, maybe 5, maybe 6. if they have, for example, 3 lists, okay, maybe you will have 4 or 5 lists, okay? So of course it have to be pertinent. Don't make list if it doesn't make sense, but you have to improve every aspect. If they have 0 video, your goal will be to put at least 1 video. Videos is very important here, even if it's not video from your company. This is from another creator. Maybe you can help a creator. He will see your video. He will share your article. This is very important. This is how you improve the article. Once you have the outline here, you will go to Chat GPT, okay? So, for example, with this outline, okay, so here, this is maybe point number 1. I prefer with numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you have one section. So here you can go with this prompt. So I will explain you this prompt. Okay, so you will act as an expert blog article writer. So it can be another type of expert, but here you want the AI to focus, here ChatGPT, on this. You want the tone and voice guidelines for the blog articles. This is very important. If you don't have tone and voice for your articles, okay, the writing style, just go on Google and look what is tone and voice for writing. Okay, and so from there you will take one that is fitting your branding or your company or your own style. You can give your own old text to the AI and ask the AI, what is my tone, what is my voice, okay? And it will give you a list, or you can choose one that is explained through Google here from other professionals. And you want to get this. So the tone here, I have this friendly, approachable, and positive. I have the voice. I have clarity here, professionalism, community focus, helpfulness. I precise, remember to adapt these guidelines as needed to match the specific content and objective of each blog article. Okay, this is very important. Here is the outline of the first part of my article. And from here, part by part, we will ask the AI to create articles. So this will make very long articles. So here, if you will count the words, you can go here on Google, for example, word counter. Okay, but you have it on Google Doc or things like this. You can copy paste the article and you will see how many words they have, okay, on the article. And so your goal also is to write at least the same amount of words or better, okay? So here is the outline. Here, this is from another example. So here, uh, oh, oh yeah, okay. I know what I did wrong here. So I will take here from here. Okay. Webflow versus WordPress. So of course here you have to specify always the H1. Okay. So he knows the thematic of your website. So one here, quick overview, WordPress most popular, etc. And one important thing is to take a deep breath and proceed step by step. Okay, this is a key phrase to just improve the results with ChatGPT. You can use it in every of your prompts. This will gives you better results. Okay. So here I click enter. So now I have information from here. Network, network error, of course, for the video. Okay. So here it is writing, but it's not finished there. Because the AI information can be old, can be wrong. So this is where you have to beat the competition. Okay. So you will take the main article that you want to beat, okay, from the top three. What you will do is take the number one. So here they have quick overview. So this is same kind of your work. So this is why here we can call it still like an artist. You make better content from the content of your competitors because everyone is doing this, and if you don't do it, you will just not have good work. So for example, okay, quick overview. Okay, so quick overview is the H1. Here we have H2, H3. Okay, I think this is all. Okay, so here I copy paste. So I want to ask now ChatGPT. I will tell below is my competitor first section. I want you to rewrite and copy their content to match our tone and voice and our outline. Okay, so you make a point, you can put points here so you can understand this is the separation between the content of your competitor. You can do it in many ways. Okay, this is up to you. I generally separate like this. Control V on the section. So because you can't copy paste too much information for here, simply you can't copy paste the whole article, and it works better with just piece of information for AI. So this is why we work by section. Okay, so here it will give you a new piece of content. Okay, so now, okay, so this is good. So now you will have to read, okay? You have to read what the AI is giving to you. You have to compare to your competitor. Is it respecting your tone and voice? Of course, but this is writing everything for you right now. So here in the same document, what I do, another separation. Of course, it's better presented. Control Shift V here for copy pasting, or it will be black if you do it like this. And here you can now put your H1, your darker or bold. Okay, and here you will repeat this process until your article is done. And what I invite you to do is every time you do it for each section, so you can archive your discussion, but this is to create a new chat. So this is fresh, the AI will not be lost, and create a new chat every time you do this process and repeat until the article is done. Once you have all the text part, you will just have to find the images, so you can create the images. So do not copy, just not download the image from your competitors. Always try to improve. So here you see they have a screenshot from Webflow. The Webflow website has changed, so you can put fresh screenshots, even if it's the same style of images. Take always the time to make your own screenshots, create your own images, because it has to be unique, and so anybody can tell, oh, okay, you steal from me or whatever. This is why you rewrite from your voice and tone. You create your own outline, and this will help people because it will be better written. You will have more information because you will have videos because your competitors don't have videos. You will have more images. You will have more table, so it is more readable. Think about it. This is for humans also. So is the competitors' articles readable? Here, I don't like this article, so I think it's easier to make a better layout for the blog to be more readable. So I did it for here for a business that we have that is called My Job Nest for no code. We are three co-founder. This is our blog because we use a tool for the blog, but this is a lot more readable than blogs like this because there is too long sentence here. Here it's shorter, it's clean, it's better. Okay, so I did the same work for here, and you will have to add your own links, okay, and things like this. But for the writing part, this is very, very fast. This is very consistent. You take good information from your competitors and you rewrite it, matching your branding. Then for the SEO professionals that will tell, oh, this guy is not using tool. Okay, I have a free tool for you, so you can use SEMrush. I know I am on the blog of SEMrush. SEMrush have a part that is free, so you can use the free part of SEMrush. You use an account. They have also free use for some days, so it is enough to get IDs, look at competitors, and have some statistics. And invite you to use it for the free trial. And here you have one FR, so you go on one FR, okay? This is free. This is one FR website. You click here, optimize, okay? So here it is in French, but you can go in English. And you go to start optimizing. You create your account and you have this free part. So what I did, sorry, is, for example, for this article, so I copy paste all the text of my final article. This is very important. This is my final article. And so you can do it from your Google Doc, of course. And I copy paste in here. You have different options from URL and from copy pasting text. I prefer copy pasting text. Sometimes it doesn't work with URL. This is a very famous website. This is ugly website, but this is old. This is OGs in in SEO world, so you can be confident in their answers. So you copy paste your article and you have this result. So this is about, is your article optimized with the keywords for Google? Okay, so is this article appealing for Google? Okay, for the robots and things like this, to have better chance to get higher rank. So you can make this verification. This is professional verification from SEO expert. So you have highlight words here and below. Okay, because this is a very big article here that we did. I have a 98% article. So I did the exact same process, okay? Nothing more. I just add one section that was personalized on the article. Here, should I use Obsidian or Notion? Because I had a doctor anecdote, maybe I can say it in English, history for doctors and privacy of data. So I added it because anybody is talking about it. This was a personal knowledge. And you can see here I have a 98% optimized result for Google. This is not for Bing. You can choose between Bing or Google. You can have this information to add in your text, those keywords. So here you can see the article is very good. He's saying, yeah, you have to reach 80%, but the tops are between 20 and here you can see 70% of pages having gone from a score of 20% to 80% ranked higher within 5 weeks. So here we have 98%. We come from position 90. That was horrible with this article. I did a really shit article before, a really poor article. And it takes in 2 days, now in place 10 or 14, just in 2 days. So this is very good results. It's mostly instant, and I think I have other things to improve, but this is very quality writing, easy to read. There is no BS here, and this is personalized to your brand, and you can generate 3,000 words with real good information for people in just a few minutes or few hours. This is very, very, very nice. So this is my process. I hope this will help you to write better AI articles. And one last information that you have at the end of the video. But before, you can like and subscribe to have more information about web design and tips like this. But one main thing is Google is not caring about if this is written by AI or by human. This is in their documentation. This is explicitly told. The important is the content. Okay, it can be written by a dog, a human, or AI. The main important thing is the content and the quality of that content and the quality of the answer you give to people. So thank you for being there, and see you for the next video. Bye bye.